If you raise the presser foot, it takes the tension off your tension discs. If you do want to store it with the foot down, however, don't store it so that the presser foot is pushing against your feed dogs. What you want to do is get a little bit of felt and put the felt over the top of the feed dogs and then put your presser foot down. What the felt will do is it will cushion the presser foot and the feed dogs and stop rust building up between the two.